I'm Robert M. Fox. I was honored to be president of, then it was the Los Angeles Trial Lawyers Association, known as LATLA, in the period of 70 through 71, long time back. Those were perilous times for lawyers because no-fault insurance had reared its ugly head. It was a thinly disguised attempt to destroy the rights of the individuals to make claims for injury. And the tort claims, in other words. They called it tort reform, but we all know what it was. It wasn't that at all. And by the way, I understand that today the bar and our organization, CAALA, I think you call it now, faces the same challenge. But in any event, that was one of the big issues at the time, no-fault insurance and battling to retain the rights of accident victims. We were fortunate enough, with a lot of hard work and expenditure of practically our entire treasury, to beat no-fault in 70 and 71, and about in 72 it was a very close vote in the California legislature. And that was one of the big issues of the time. Of course, we were growing at that time. We had a lot of working committees, a very active board, and there were other things. We were running a very, I'd say, comprehensive educational program. We had a lot of how to do it seminars. We trained lawyers, new lawyers who were trying to find out, and old lawyers who wanted to brush up, how to best represent their clients. And we had a very vigorous and regular education program. CAALA is important today, as it always has been, because primarily our members represent individuals who are powerless, just plain people, whether they're working people, corporate executives, or ditch diggers. If they are involved in, say, a tort situation, let's say they're in an automobile and the brakes give out, and there's a claim against the manufacturer because the brakes were defective, or a tire blows out, or an automobile collision where a drunk driver has, say, crippled the wage earner of the family, and he'll never be able to work again. The only way that such a victim can get decent representation is through the contingency system. He can't afford to pay $500 or $600 an hour, which is what the established law firms downtown charge their corporate clients. And we have to be ever vigilant to protect our clients and our own legal practices, and we're together on that. We're all partners in this, and we have to continue it, and I believe that if we stay with it on both the local, state, and national level, we can win this battle. But it's one that goes on, and we can never relax or relent. We've got to keep it up.